Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel CAT tutorials for beginners to advanced. So in this lecture, let's discuss about the next sweep type here in generative shape design. So we'll discuss about the circle profile type with a center and two angles. So let's start here with a start shape and the generative shape design, and we'll keep this naming as it is here. And let's click on the sweep here, and then in the circle type you can see we have already covered these two types, three guides and two guides and radius. We are going to discuss about this center and two angles. So here you can see the inputs are, first is center curve, then reference curve, and then the angles, angle 1 and angle 2 we can provide. And as usual we can use the relimiter 1 and relimiter 2 in this command. So let us create this center curve and reference curve just for the demonstration purpose. So let us use the position sketch, and we'll just sketch on the top plane. So I will again here use simple line command. So just use a line and draw a line here, and then exit the workbench. And then similarly I will create one more guide curve here. So again sketch on the top plane, and then I will create one more here. So just escape it. Let me create in. So this is our second curve. So we can consider either of we can consider this as a guide and this as a reference curve here. So just click on the sweep here again, and then this center curve. So let's use this as a center curve first. Okay, so just select this as a center curve, and then the reference curve. So the reference curve I will select this. Okay, and then if you try to click on preview, you can see the this center curve act as a center here for this particular what you can say the surface. So if you just try to create it as maybe 180 degree, so that you will understand here. Yeah, you can see, right? So this is acting as a center here for this particular reference, and reference curve is nothing but through this reference curve that particular sweep is getting created. Okay, and if you just create it as 360, then it will be a complete cylindrical surface. Yeah, you can see, right? So this is a center curve and this is a reference curve. So this is basically this command. Let's try to create something different here. Let's keep it 45 degree, and here you can see the 45 degree is nothing but it's starting from this to this, and this is 0 degree, right? So if you try to enter it something, let's say if you try to add as 45, sorry, let's try to add as 10 degree, and let's preview it, and you can see now it is moving to 10 degree first, and then from 10 degree it is acting as a it is taking the angle measurement from that particular 10 degree end position. So from that it taking as 45 degree. So again, if you let's say I will add minus here, and then you can see it is creating that particular sweep on the other hand. So again, let me reduce it again, and you will see. So in this way you can just create this sweep surface. You just need a center curve and a reference curve, and then you can manipulate these angles based on your requirements. And then again we have relimiters, we can use them as well. So let's double click here, and then if you want to add the relimiters, then you can simply right click here, again create a plane, and then here I will select let's say normal to curve, and then select this curvature here, and then you can see this is by default it's coming into the middle. So let's try to create in the middle first, and let's preview it. You can see the relimiter is getting applied to this particular sweep surface. Just click on OK, and you will see the sweep is created from that particular relimiter to the other side. If you want to change it, let's say if you want to change the direction, then you can do that. You can just click on that green arrow, and then you will see the sweep is getting created on the other side now. Again, if you want to add some more relimiters, you can try them as well. Just create a plane and then select this reference curve here, and instead of middle I will create a point. So let's create a point here, and then we'll try this out, and then let's try 0.7 and click on preview and try this. Maybe we need to change this surface direction to other side. So let's see how it works or not. Yeah, it's working, right? So now you can see the relimiter 1 is this plane, first plane, and the second plane is nothing but a relimiter 2. And then if you click on OK, you can see the surface is created in between those two relimiters only. So just try to unhide this. You can see here the sweep is created exactly between these two relimiters. Again, if you want to change the angles here, you can directly do from this position. You can just expand this sweep and you can directly change the angles from here. Again, if you want to change the below angle as well, so let's say 80, and you can change that. Again, if you want to change the point position here, let's not change that. I will try to change this one. So again, just click on here, and then instead of 0.7 I will use 0.9. Click OK and click OK, and now you can see the plane has been moved a little, and then the sweep surface is also updated accordingly. So that's it from this lecture. We'll discuss in more detail the remaining parts of the sweep in generative shape design. So thanks for watching this video. Hope you have enjoyed watching it. Please do subscribe our YouTube channel for such more videos. Thank you so much.